Hi! If you like this delicate necklace, you can learn today how to make it. The necklace is made with 11 seed beads and 6 mm rose quartz stones. Yes, the stone of love. Welcome to my channel. Here you can learn easy beading techniques and tips to take your craft to designer level. I am Mia, your guide, helping you to upgrade your beading skills. You're welcome. Now, if you are ready to find out how to make this delicate necklace, then
we start our work with a stopper bead that is the same color as the seed bead that we are using. And the first step in our snake chain is to pick up 5 seed beads, and because we take this stopper bead as part of the work, we are adding actually only 4, and with that one 5, and we go back through the first seed bead, which is the stopper bead. Where we have the tail coming out, that is the bottom of our work, and when we are with the thread at the bottom, we pick up 3 seed beads and go back up through the very next one. After the beads where the thread comes out, when we are at the top, we pick up 2 seed beads, skip 1, and go back down through the next one. We are at the bottom, pick up 3 seed beads, go back up through the next seed bead. At the top, pick up 2, skip 1, go back through the next one. The reason we make another stitch together is because I need to explain you about the sticking out beads, and now I think we can see them. So here is the bottom of the work where the tail is, and you can notice 1, 2, 3, and here the beads that stick out. For this pattern that we are working on, we are counting 1, 2, 3, up to 7 sticking out beads at the bottom, and we come back. I am back, and we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sticking out beads. We create our top loop with pick up 2, skip 1, and when we get at the bottom, we pick up 2 seed beads, one of our rose quartz stones, the 6mm one, another seed bead. Now we skip the seed bead, go back up through the stone and through the seed beads, and we are back at the chain now. And now we just continue our pattern in the normal way, and we have done our top loop. This means that we have to do our bottom loop. So pick up 3 and go back up through the next seed bead. And now we continue with the same sequence until we get other 7 seed beads, sticking out seed beads at the bottom, and we add another stone. So this is the basic technique. Now just a quick note about the structure of this necklace. This is a 14 inches necklace. This is right at the base of the neck, so it's kind of like a choker, slightly longer. And here we have, between the starting point of the chain and up to the first bead, we have 3.5 inches. Then we have a repetition of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beads, 7 stones at an interval of 7 sticking out beads, and then the left of 3.5 inches. Because this is a very delicate work, I have decided to use a lobster clasp, and if you want me to show you how to attach the clasp, I can create a separate video just for this. And now, if you are wondering, for our bonus part, what other beads you can use, you can also use carnelian, beautiful stone. Here you have malachite, again 6 millimeter, beautiful stone. And I have found some beautiful corals which are actually in a cube shape, absolutely lovely. And here I have for you as an idea a cube which is cherry quartz. So all of these beads would look absolutely beautiful with the pattern that we have just worked together. I hope you are inspired, and I welcome your comments. So see you with our next tutorial. Ciao, ciao!